Use of did in spoken English. How much money did you spend? How much money did you spend? What did they buy at the shop? What did they buy at the shop? He did nothing but cry all day. He did nothing but cry all day. He did not know what to say. He did not know what to say. All the players did their best. All the players did their best. John did well in his studies. John did well in his studies. Mary did not say anything. Mary did not say anything. Did you receive my letter? Did you receive my letter? He did just opposite. He did just opposite. Did he say anything? Did he say anything? Did you know? Did you know? Did you study? Did you study? I did it myself. I did it myself. Did I study? Did I study? He did study. He did study. I did not eat. I did not eat. He did not study. He did not study. We did our work. We did our work. When did you buy it? When did you buy it? How long did you stay? How long did you stay? How did you solve this? How did you solve this?